Hey guys, me again. I'm just going to quickly run through our fraction project with you guys. So we're actually going to be making cookies, and I absolutely love cookies. It's my favorite thing to do. So um, please make sure you do read through the instructions. So cookie calculation. So High Year 5's your job today is to help us teachers work out how much of each ingredient we need to bake cookies. We need your fraction expertise to help us solve our problem. Please make sure you read each question carefully. Make sure you know what it's asking of you. Okay. You need to do all your working out in your maths book, but what you can do is you can actually decide to present it on a PowerPoint, on a poster, however you like to present it. Go for it. Okay. Do whatever you'd like to do, okay? But make sure you do your working out first in your maths book to show us that you know how to convert fractions, okay? So these are our ingredients for our 12 cookies, and here are our baking instructions, okay? This is if you would like to bake your cookies. You do not have to, but yeah, it's there for you if you like. This is a really awesome recipe. And on Thursday, so tomorrow, I will actually be conducting a WebEx baking these cookies. If you'd like to join me and watch, that's up to you, okay? So that's your ingredients, and then it's time to bake. So as you've noticed, the recipes for 12 cookies. Us Year 5 teachers would like you to make it for the whole class, so 24 students. I know in my class I don't actually have 24, but we're going to make 24 cookies. So your job is to recalculate the ingredients to cater for 24 students. So you're going to have a look at this. I'd probably write all the ingredients down, and then next to it draw a table and write for 24, and then write in your new calculations, okay? That will make it a lot easier for us teachers to see and for you to work out with as well, okay? Again, if you'd like to bake the cookies, I'd love to see photos, but remember you need parent permission, okay? And then you need to write up, well, what maths did you use during the baking process? You might not have just used fractions. You might have come across some other things of maths that we would love for you to explain and talk about below. So you need to write at least a paragraph, okay? If you like to write more, that's awesome, but minimum a paragraph, okay? And then if you'd like to extend yourself, which I think a lot of you should be, there is 2 extension tasks for you guys to do. Again, you'll be able to present this however you like, but doing your working out in your maths book and uploading that as well, okay? So you're going to calculate how much of each ingredient we would need for the whole Year 5 cohort, so 120 students. And then you're going to work out how much each ingredient will cost if you're going to buy them from either Woolworths or Coles. So you're going to be doing that for 120 cookies. So you need to work out how much of each ingredient you need, okay? And then make sure you share your full working out and your answers with your teacher. I'm really excited for this. Please just give it a red hot crack. Again, make mistakes, that's all part of learning, okay? So just make sure you give it a go, okay? I hope this helps.